Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This tutorial describes the process of transferring the W-2 information to the W-3 form. To begin, the payer ABC payroll has been created, and the W-2 data for the year has been entered. At the main menu, select the W-2 1099 Forms filer. Highlight ABC Payroll and click OK. The transfer is done from the W-2, not the W-2C. Select Form. Select W-2, W-3 forms. Next select W-2. This is the original data that was entered and submitted to the SSA. If all data has been entered and verified, it can be transferred to the W-3. Click Transfer. Select W-3. Click OK. When the file is imported, click OK. It is now the user's responsibility to verify the data on the W-3 form. For further assistance, please review the frequently asked questions on our website. Or please refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 etc. program. Have a great day.